The Squisher returns. Massive hydraulic press tries to fold a piece of paper 7 times with explosive results. In this video, I recreate a clip from the hydraulic press channel where they ask the question, can you fold paper more than 7 times with hydraulic press? Stay tuned. Simple Tek, practical, effective technology. I made this channel to experiment with simple technology for agriculture and energy. Clicking the subscribe button tells YouTube's algorithm you want to see more videos like this. Click the subscribe button now. Okay, in the beginning I said, can you fold paper more than 7 times with hydraulic press? Is that right, or should it be, can you fold paper more than 7 times with a hydraulic press? Comment below which is correct grammar, and please share this video to your friends.